Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 578. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to purchase $1 Bitcoin every day for 578 days in a row. Let's hop to the investment section. So we've got stocks and Bitcoin. We want to make sure that we're on Bitcoin. We're currently at $10,445, down 4% today. So we're seeing a little dip this week, down 8.76%, but I think that was to be expected. Down 10% on the month and about dead even on the year. So if we scroll down here, you can see they now have a news section if you missed that in the recent video. But I have 0.0745 Bitcoin owned. You guys can see I've been purchasing $7 weekly for a while now, every Friday. So let's go ahead, tap buy. Tap the three dots, tap $7, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give us our order details, still a 3% fee, but you gotta do what you gotta do, tap confirm. Just like that, I've added more Bitcoin. So let's scroll down here. I now own 0.0752. So increase that balance a little bit. No major news right now. I could see Bitcoin going down a little bit further from this dip right here, but then I think it'll have a nice recovery after that. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $785.14, 785.14 divided by 578 days equals a 1.35x on our investment. So down from the about 1.5 that we were at, but still doing pretty good. What this means is that for every dollar I put into this experiment, I now have $1.35. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.